Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Superrare. One of the coins that has pushed the most volume in the markets in the last couple of days. It's also a coin I have personally traded, a coin I have watched since the bottom, since this first move, after which it has been up a total of 110%. And I thought it would potentially be interesting to some of you to talk about this. I have heard some people talking about this, but it's always like when I make videos, look, I want to make videos to as many viewers as possible, because then you create the most value for as many people as possible. But with Superrare, I'm not sure how many people actually trade coins like these, actually watch coins like these. I mean, you can see the volume right now is up to $840 million. That's spot volume, but you can also see it's top 5 in leveraged volume, which is pretty incredible. But so in general, this is being traded a lot, and like I said, I've also heard about it. I have my own thoughts about this, and I actually do have some experience with coins like these and Rare itself as well. So that's what I wanted to talk about. So let's get right into it. Now, first of all these numbers you see, including the volume right here, which I think has even dropped down a bit. I mean, the volume yesterday was around $903 million, and the leverage volume has also dropped down, but it's still pulling in. In the last 8 hours, the leveraged volume was over $700 million. So there's a lot going on. But what this is it's clear manipulation, all right? And I'm not saying that as a bad thing, but that is what it is, all right? You can see, for example, as well, that the funding rates are minus 4%, which is usually a sign of at least some shady business going on between spot and futures. Alright, so hopefully I cut that out. Hopefully I don't forget, but I had to sneeze. But you can also see a funding rate of minus 4%. That's ridiculous, alright? Usually that means that there's shady business going on. But then you take a look at the price action. I mean, there's no news. Superrare is not a major project or anything, and still the price went up from bottom to top. Almost a 3x, 185% move. So yeah, it is manipulated, and you can also see that with the volume. There's a lot of volume coming from Gate.io and 4E, which compared to the other exchanges is a pretty weird thing. But now the question is well, does that matter? First of all, yes. That means that at some point of time, like Superrare has done before, we will have some major crashes, all right, like this. Like this, so that is definitely happening. But for now, we can actually still treat this like a normal coin. I mean, Rare is respecting normal key levels, all right? So for example, what you see right now, I can make the analysis very, very easy for you. And I'll tell you that the main two levels to watch for now are this resistance level at 13 cents, which you can see quite clearly is a strong resistance level, 12.5, 13 cents. And the main support level is right here between 9.5 and 10 cents. The main thing you should do is, first of all, do not short when the funding rates are minus 4%, because you will pay 4% on your position value every 8 hours. Might even be every 4 hours right now on Bybit and Binance. I'm not completely sure. And second of all, wait for confirmation. All right, right now we're in the middle of two levels. I would actually say with the volume we have right now and with the funding rates, it's most likely we're going to get a bullish breakout. But then again, wait for the breakout above 12.5 and 13 cents. And if we actually have secured that, then we can be more certain we can move up to the next key level, which would most likely be right here at 16, potentially 17.5 cents, the previous highs right here. So wait for that. Like I said, given the volume, given the funding rates right now, I would still say it's most likely that Superrare will trade higher, or will move higher. I personally have traded this while it was lower. I will not trade it anymore. I mean, it's just getting too risky. And like I said, even though at this point of time, I'd say this is still most likely, if the volume all of a sudden falls off a cliff and Superrare drops down below 10 cents, then that could also be the start of this crash, right? So you should be prepared for both scenarios and make your actions based on breakouts, all right? Make your actions based on technical moves and technical confirmations, and then hopefully you'll be fine if you stick to risk management as well. But that's up to you. I think that's what you need to know. Those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.